Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. We're thrilled to have you join us for another exciting episode. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two of the most popular AI coding assistants, Codeum and Copilot. These tools have been making waves in the tech community, and we're here to see which one truly stands out. These AI powerhouses have taken the development world by storm, promising to streamline your workflow and boost your coding efficiency. From generating boilerplate code to offering intelligent suggestions, they aim to make coding faster and easier. But with all the hype around these tools, you might be wondering, which one comes out on top? Is it the newcomer with fresh ideas or the seasoned veteran with a proven track record? In this corner, we have Codeum, a relative newcomer that's been making waves with its impressive code generation capabilities and extensive language support. It's quickly gaining a reputation for its versatility and ease of use. And in the other corner we have the veteran Copilot developed by the AI giants over at GitHub. With its deep integration into the GitHub ecosystem, Copilot has been a favorite among developers for its intuitive and context-aware suggestions. Copilot has been around a bit longer, building a solid reputation for its intuitive suggestions and seamless integration with popular IDEs. It's known for understanding the context of your code and providing relevant, helpful suggestions. This is going to be a close one, folks. Both tools have their strengths and unique features, making this showdown all the more exciting. We'll be putting both AI coding assistants through their paces, testing their code generation accuracy, speed, and overall user experience. We'll look at how well they handle different programming languages and real-world coding scenarios. Let's find out which one reigns supreme. Stay tuned as we dive deep into this epic AI coding showdown. First up, we have Codeum, an AI coding assistant developed by Exafunction. This tool is designed to revolutionize the way developers write code, making the process faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors. Right off the bat, Codeum impresses with its sleek and intuitive user interface. The design is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, which is crucial for maintaining productivity and reducing the learning curve for new users. It's clear that Exafunction put a lot of thought into making Codeum as user-friendly as possible, and it shows. The interface is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and ease of use, which can significantly enhance a developer's workflow. One of Codeum's standout features is its wide range of language support. This is particularly beneficial for teams that work with multiple programming languages, or for developers who like to experiment with different technologies. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, or even more niche languages, Codeum has got you covered. This extensive support ensures that you can rely on a single tool for all your coding needs, without having to switch between different assistants. This extensive language support makes Codeum a versatile tool for developers working across different tech stacks. It allows for seamless transitions between projects and languages, making it an invaluable asset in a developer's toolkit. But let's talk about what really matters: code generation. This is where Codeum truly shines, offering capabilities that can significantly speed up the development process. Codeum boasts impressive code generation capabilities thanks to its advanced machine learning algorithms trained on a massive dataset of code. These algorithms are designed to understand context and provide relevant code snippets that fit seamlessly into your project. From generating entire functions to auto-completing complex code snippets, Codeum proves to be a powerful ally in your coding journey. It can handle a variety of tasks, from simple auto-completions to more complex code generation, making it a versatile tool for any developer. During my time testing Codeum, I was particularly impressed with its accuracy and speed. The tool was able to generate code that was not only correct but also optimized for performance, which is a huge plus for any developer. The code suggestions were often spot on, saving me a significant amount of time and effort. This level of accuracy is crucial for maintaining the flow of coding and reducing the need for extensive debugging later on. And even when I needed to make some tweaks, Codeum was quick to adapt and provide relevant suggestions based on my changes. This adaptability makes it a reliable partner in the coding process, always ready to assist and improve your code. Another area where Codeum shines is its integration with popular IDEs. This means you can use it within your preferred development environment without any hassle. Whether you're using VS Code, Atom, or Sublime Text, Codeum seamlessly integrates into your existing workflow, making it incredibly convenient to use. This seamless integration ensures that you can focus on coding rather than dealing with technical difficulties. No more switching between windows or dealing with clunky integrations. Codium's smooth integration allows you to maintain your focus and productivity, which is essential for efficient coding. Codium also offers some unique features that set it apart from the competition. These features are designed to address specific pain points that developers often face, making the tool even more valuable. For instance, its Explain Code feature is a godsend for developers who are new to a particular codebase or language. This feature can save hours of time that would otherwise be spent trying to understand unfamiliar code. Simply select a block of code, and Codium will provide a clear and concise explanation of what it does. This is incredibly useful for onboarding new team members or for quickly getting up to speed with a new project. Overall, Codium is a powerful and versatile AI coding assistant that's definitely worth checking out. Its range of features and capabilities make it a standout tool in the crowded field of AI coding assistants. Its extensive language support, impressive code generation capabilities, and user-friendly interface make it a valuable tool for developers of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Codium has something to offer that can enhance your coding experience. Now, let's turn our attention to the reigning champion of AI coding assistants, Copilot, developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI. This tool has revolutionized the way developers approach coding, making it an indispensable asset in the modern software development landscape. Copilot has been around for a while now, and it's earned its place as a leader in the field. Its ability to assist developers in writing code more efficiently and accurately has set a new standard for AI-powered coding tools. One of Copilot's biggest strengths is its seamless integration with GitHub. This integration allows developers to leverage the power of AI directly within their existing workflows, without the need for additional setup or configuration. If you're already using GitHub for version control, and let's be real, who isn't? Then integrating Copilot into your workflow is a breeze. The transition is smooth, and the benefits are immediately apparent. It's like having an AI pair programmer right inside your IDE. This virtual assistant can help you write code faster, catch errors early, and even suggest improvements to your existing codebase. Just like Codium, Copilot excels at code generation. It can generate entire functions, classes, and even complex algorithms based on simple prompts, saving developers countless hours of manual coding. It's powered by OpenAI's powerful GPT-3 language model, which has been trained on a massive dataset of code and text. This extensive training allows Copilot to understand a wide range of programming languages and paradigms. This allows Copilot to generate highly accurate and contextually relevant code suggestions, often anticipating your needs before you even type them out. It's like having a seasoned developer looking over your shoulder, ready to offer advice and guidance. During my testing, Copilot consistently impressed me with its ability to understand the intent behind my code. It wasn't just generating random snippets. It was providing meaningful suggestions that aligned with my overall goals. It wasn't just blindly suggesting code snippets, it was actually understanding the logic of my program and providing suggestions that aligned with my overall goals. This level of understanding is what sets Copilot apart from other AI coding assistants. Copilot also shines when it comes to generating repetitive code patterns. Whether you're writing boilerplate code or iterating over a list of items, Copilot can automate those tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on the more creative and challenging aspects of coding. Whether you're writing boilerplate code or iterating over a list of items, Copilot can automate those tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on the more creative and challenging aspects of coding. This not only boosts productivity, but also enhances the overall quality of the code. However, no tool is perfect, and Copilot does have a few areas where it could improve. One minor drawback is that its language support, while extensive, isn't quite as comprehensive as Codium's. This can be a limitation for developers working with less common programming languages. One minor drawback is that its language support, while extensive, isn't quite as comprehensive as Codium's. This can be a limitation for developers working with less common programming languages. Additionally, there are times when Copilot's suggestions may not be entirely accurate. Another area where Copilot could benefit from some improvement is its error handling. While Copilot generally generates accurate code, there are times when it can produce incorrect or incomplete suggestions. This can be particularly challenging when working on complex projects where accuracy is critical. While Copilot generally generates accurate code, there are times when it can produce incorrect or incomplete suggestions. It's important to remember that Copilot is still a tool, and it's crucial to review its suggestions carefully before implementing them. This ensures that the final code is both functional and efficient. It's important to remember that Copilot is still a tool, and it's crucial to review its suggestions carefully before implementing them. This ensures that the final code is both functional and efficient. Despite these minor drawbacks, Copilot remains a highly valuable tool for developers. Overall, Copilot is a powerful and mature AI coding assistant that lives up to its reputation. Its seamless GitHub integration, impressive code generation capabilities, and intuitive suggestions make it a valuable asset for any developer looking to boost their productivity and write better code. Its seamless GitHub integration, impressive code generation capabilities, and intuitive suggestions make it a valuable asset for any developer looking to boost their productivity and write better code. With continuous improvements and updates, Copilot is poised to remain at the forefront of AI-powered coding tools for years to come. So, there you have it, folks. We've taken a deep dive into the world of AI coding assistants, exploring the strengths and weaknesses of both Codeium and Copilot. These tools are revolutionizing the way we code, offering unprecedented levels of assistance and automation. Both Codeium and Copilot are incredibly powerful tools that can significantly enhance your coding workflow. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a tool with extensive language support and a user-friendly interface, Codeium is an excellent option. If seamless GitHub integration and advanced code generation capabilities are your top priorities, then Copilot might be the better choice. So, which AI coding assistant do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching.